Okay, here's the third update. So far I've got X-rails put on here, so that stiffens it all up, front and back. And then I got my side rails, my outs on each side, all four corners, so I have something to put my rails on. Here's the X on here. So now I got basically something to sit on. These center supports have to come out because of course it can't move past that. So so this is how the rail system is going to work. I'm going to get this piece here. It'll be an eye sticking out basically like that, and then it'll be steel bearings. The flat plate will be here, and it'll be bearings rolling along this edge and then coming around and grabbing on the bottom, and that'll slide the entire length on both sides. So I need to get 4 pieces of either metal 90s or one 10-foot T. And I need a 3-inch out to here with a 1.5 and a 1.5 on there, so it'd be a 3 by 3. The entire length of the entire thing, both sides, and that'll what the gantry will run on. And the gantry will go down underneath the center here, across here, and then the motor will sit right here with this with the 1/2-inch all thread all the way down, and that'll hook into the gantry that runs across from side to side, and then the motor turns, screw turns, and the gantry moves. So there's another update. A lot more stiffer. All the bolts are in. Everything's all locked up, and it's just stiffer than hell. I'm going to put a 1/2-inch. I've realized I'm going to have to put a 1/2-inch fitting from piece of plywood from here, from inside to inside, and that'll raise it up just a little bit. And then I'll put a full 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of 3/4-inch plywood on top of that, so it'll be like a little, it'll fit down in there. And then I'll mount it from the bottom, and then these will stick out further, and then it will raise up, and that'll be the gantry. And then I'm going to take this machine, use all the motors off of here and this whole thing. I'm going to take my Z and I'm going to cut it so I have about 1 foot of travel, because this is way too long. 1 foot of travel on there, and then I'll have my 4th axis somewhere on there. So, alright, and there's another number 3 update of the Bleacher Cnc Build. It's coming along. Thanks.